Right. Dear students, in the previous class we have discussed the following concepts in the lesson number 3, charts in Excel. Those are creating charts, change chart style, change chart type, move chart, advantages of charts, and components of charts, types of charts. Right. And now today we are going to discuss about the another concept, that is about formatting chart components. Formatting chart components. So what are the chart components we are going to format now that I am going to show you here? First one is formatting chart area. Second, formatting plot area. Third, formatting data series. Fourth, formatting legend. And the last one is formatting axis. So these all five concepts we are going to discuss now. The first one is format chart area. See, if you observe, the steps are same for all of these concepts. If you concentrate, look at here. I'm going to open the Excel file. On this Excel file, I have inserted chart here, and I'm going to apply the first one, format chart area. So if I place the mouse pointer on the chart area, you can able to see that it is showing the chart area, right? So you just right click on the chart area, you will get the last option, format chart area. Then you can see the right side, format chart area task pane appears. Or otherwise there is another method, you just double click on the chart area, then you will get the same format chart area task pane. So there will be two methods, one is double click on the chart area, or you can select the right click on the chart area and select format chart area option. Two methods are there, you can use any method. So here you can see under this there is an option fill and line. Below that there you can able to find there will be two options, fill and border. So click on the fill. When I click fill option, so the following options displayed here, like solid no fill, solid fill, gradient fill, picture or texture fill, pattern fill, and automatic. So if I click solid fill, you can see the related options open below. Color, you can click on the color button, and whatever the color you want to apply, that you can select, then the color will be applied to the chart area. So here solid fill is nothing but single color. Okay. The next one, gradient fill. So gradient fill means multi shaded colors. So you can check here. So when I click on the gradient fill, below the list of options appeared. So on that you can see preset gradients. So here there you can see there are multiple shaded colors are there. So I have selected one color, and downside there is a remaining options, that also I'm going to check. So type linear, radial, rectangle, path. So here I'm taking rectangle. So below that there will be a directions, you can select directions, and you can observe the changes happening on the chart when I am selecting one by one option. And you can see there is a color. If you want to change the another color in the middle of the chart, you can change it. And here you can see gradient stops. If you move these options, the changes you can observe on the chart. So in this manner you can do changes by moving these options, right? So in this manner you can apply the colors. And here you can see picture or texture fill. So here picture or texture fill, if you want to apply the texture as a background, or if you want to apply the picture as a background, you can select the picture option. So here you can see there is a file option. When you click file option, a browser dialog box will appear, and this is about, so from your computer, if you are having any pictures, you can select any picture from your computer. That picture will be applied as a background for the chart. Or if you don't like this picture, you can select here, there will be a texture option, select the texture option, and you can apply the texture as a background for the chart. that is about picture or texture fill. Okay, and you can see there is a pattern fill. There is will be a patterns given below. You can select whatever the pattern you want to apply, and if you want to change the color for the patterns, you can change the color and you can apply, right? So you can change here these all options. Background, if you want to keep it red in between, so like this you can apply the multiple colors. So here I selected gradient color, multi shaded color. Okay, then you can see the second option, that is border. Click on the border option. Then the same, like no line, solid line, gradient line. Select the solid line, and here applying red color. I'm taking red color border, and here you can see the style of the lines. I'm taking simple line, and here you can see the width. So I'm increasing width here. When I'm increasing, you can see the border here, the border is increased here, see, right? So in this manner you can apply the colors to the background for the chart. Okay, and the another concept is that you can see the formatting plot area. So the formatting plot area is also the same way. So here if you click on the plot area, so you have to click on exactly the plot area. Now you can see when I click on the plot area, you can observe the dots are displaying in the rectangular shape. This is plot area. Either you can click on the double click on the plot area, then you will get the same options. The same steps you can apply. Solid fill, gradient fill, that is your choice, how you want to apply the colors. You can see only the rectangular portion, the plot area is only changing here, right? The same steps you can apply here. Radial, and I'm changing the direction. Okay, and here I'm taking the different color, so blue color. Now you can see when I'm changing, the changes are happening here, right? So the same steps, the steps are common for all of this. Okay, and next here border, the same borders also you can apply for the plot area. For the plot area also you can apply the border. Width also you can increase, see, you can see the plot area. Oh, right. So in this manner, you can format the plot area also, right? Even for the legend also. So here you can see the legend. So let me increase the size of the chart so that it can be visible to you properly. So here you can see, simply I just drag down by using these buttons. So this can be visible to you now properly, right? And even you can increase the size of the legend by going to the home tab. Here there is a size. You can increase the size, and if you want to change the font color, you can change it. Even x-axis also you can change it here. Even x-axis size also you can change, and even you can change the color also, right? And even plot area also you can, and here even x-axis also you can increase the size, right? And you can select the color. Okay, let me take red color. Why? Because I have taken red color for y-axis. So x-axis, y-axis, red color I have taken. Even legend, for legend also I have taken same color. Okay, so now here I want to change the color for the legend. So same, click, double click on the legend. The same steps you can implement for this legend also. So if you want to apply single color, you can select from this. Sorry, I have selected another one. So let me take now this is border. So here solid fill. Now you can see the legend color is changed here, right? So you can apply the same steps for the legend also, right? Even for the data series also, when I click the data series of the first data series, all the data series are selected. You can double click on that. You can double click on that. Same, you can apply the same steps. Solid fill, red color I have taken. You can see the changes. And the second data series also you can apply solid fill. Let me take another color, right? You can see the changes. Even third one also you can apply solid fill. You can take gradient fill also, multi gradient fill also you can take, picture or texture fill also you can take, pattern fill also you can take. So in this manner you can apply colors to the data series also. Even for the x-axis also you can apply. Just double click on the x-axis and y-axis, you can apply the same steps. You can see this color is okay. You can see the changes happening on the y-axis. Even for the x-axis also you can see here. So I'm taking yellow color only, the same. So in this manner you can apply the colors to the chart area, plot area, data series, legend, and also for x-axis and for y-axis, right? So in this manner you can apply the colors to the all the chart components. So hope you have understood these concepts: formatting chart area, formatting plot area, formatting data series, formatting legend, and formatting x-axis. The steps are same for all of these. Okay. So hope you have understood this concept. Thank you.